I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna find you when bells will ring, sweet as things. I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna come. I know that promise will come.
I know that promise will come true.
I know that promise it will find you. The truth will bring sweet as things. I know that promise.
Up, let's talk with Keith. Keith is a dear friend of mine. He's been a massage therapist all his working life. However, he noticed when he was doing massages, he would stay with the feet. And he didn't, he could have stayed there for hours, he mentioned. So he now specializes just on massaging feet. His topic of his presentation is called Love Your Lover's Feet. And like, who doesn't? It doesn't have to be lovers, but Keith's presentation will focus a little bit more on lovers. And he says it's beyond reflexology. He's made it an art form. And I can attest to that because that's how I know Keith. When I'm in Vancouver, I see him every month. And now that he's in Ajijic, well, I get them as often as I can. Take it away, Keith.
Well, hello, and I'm honored to be among this company. This is a little bit of a stretch for me because normally with my training as a massage therapist, as with my training sort of in life, I was steered away from dipping my toes into the sexual realm. And yet, as a massage therapist, you're walking that line of physical sensation. And so for many years, I was doing battle with the experience I was actually having and all the admonitions to stay clear of danger zones, right?
Right.
And but something really remarkable has happened just since I've been here in Ajijic, because I'm doing quite a bit of foot massage here. And one of the things that's occurred is because I go to people's homes and I have to figure out how to set up for us to have a successful session together. And almost everybody has opted for just lying on top of their bed with me at the foot of the bed, rubbing their feet. Recently, I observed that this was so similar to the little bit of experience that I had with the process called oming. If you guys are familiar with that, where you create a safe nest for your lover and you, without any sexual agenda, you simply massage the clitoris. And so what I was noticing is that this had the exact same feel as that experience for me, because ideally, when you're giving a foot massage to somebody you really care about, you're there for them. You're not really doing anything to them, you're being with them. And together, you're creating an experience where your partner is the inside experiencer and you're the outside experiencer, giving them the reflection that they need and listening to every nuanced utterance that comes out of their mouth and responding with either a deeper touch or a softer touch, with a broad stroke or a pointed little touch. And you develop a sense of deep intimacy just by being truly present with each other. And it can be the most gorgeous preamble to lovemaking, or it can be a complete experience in and of itself that leaves you as satisfied as if you had made love, because you have made love. So that's what I'm going to try and transmit during my talk.
Oh, that's beautiful. Like, I've experienced it, so I know what you're talking about, Keith. And it's, yeah, I've considered myself a massage connoisseur. However, Keith takes it to the next level. So you're going to learn a lot. You know, if you're in Ajijic, get a massage, a foot massage with him. If you're in Vancouver area, check him out. And for sure, join us at the Sacred Sexual Music Festival. Thank you so much, Keith. That was really interesting and beautifully put.
Thank you.
I know a day is gonna come.